Hello everyone, my name is Tej Birod and today we will discuss about the difference between array list and linked list. So before we start the difference between array list and linked list, first we discuss the two classes, that is what is an array list and what is linked list. So first we discuss array list. The array list, which is a part of collection frameworks, which is present in the java.util package, and it's provide us a dynamic array in Java. Though it may be slower than the standard array, but it can be helpful in the program where it's lots of manipulation in the array which is needed. We can dynamically add or remove items, and it is automatically resized itself. The second point is linked list. The linked list, which is a linear data structure, and it is also part of collection frameworks which is present in java.util package, where the elements are not stored in a contiguous location, and every elements which is separate the object with the data parts and address parts. The elements are linked using pointer and address. The each elements which is known as nodes. Due to an dynamicity and is for insertion and deletion, they are preferred over the array. The array list and a linked list both are implement the list interface and maintain insertion order. Both are non-synchronized, but there are many differences between array list and linked list. So let's discuss the difference between array list and linked list. In array list, which is internally used as a dynamic array to store an element, whereas the linked list, which is an internally used Dolby linked list, which is stored an element. The second difference, which is in array list, the manipulation which is slower than the linked list, because there are element which remove or add from the array. All the other elements are shifted, whereas in a linked list, the manipulation which is fast as compared to array list, because of there is no shifting required. The third difference, which is in array list, the class which is act as a list only, because it implements list only, whereas in a linked list, the linked list class can be act as a list, queue, and both are implement list as a dequeue. The fourth difference, which is in array list, better for storing and accessing data, whereas in linked list, it better for manipulation. The fifth one, in array list, the memory location of the element of an array list is contiguous, whereas in linked list, the location of element in a linked list is not contiguous. That's all about difference between array list and linked list. Thank you.